In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on your eBay account. This can be a crucial task for maintaining the security of your online account, ensuring that your personal and payment information is protected. Whether you've suspected some unusual activity or it's just time for a refresh, updating your password is a fairly simple process. So let's go through this step by step together. First, you need to navigate to the eBay website. Open your web browser and type in ebay.com, or simply click on your bookmark if you have it saved. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top left corner. Here, you'll see the option to sign in. If you aren't already logged in, click on this option to enter your login credentials. Once you're signed into your account, look for the Account Settings option. Typically, this is found under your name or your profile icon towards the top right of the page. Clicking on it will open up more options related to your account management. Within the account settings, you should find a section labeled Sign In and Security. This is where all things relating to your login and security details are housed. Click on Sign In and Security to proceed. Now, in the Sign In and Security section, you'll see different options related to your account security. What we're interested in here is the Password section. Locate this part on the page. This is where you will be able to update your password. Next, click on the Edit option next to Password. This will bring you to a new page dedicated to changing your password. Here, you'll need to enter your current password first. This is an important step as it verifies that you are indeed the account holder and have the authority to make changes. After you've entered your current password, you'll be prompted to enter your new password. Choose something strong that you haven't used before. Ideally, it should be a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters, making it complex enough to deter unauthorized access. Once you've entered both your current and new passwords, make sure everything is correct. Then, hit the Save Changes button to finalize the update. eBay should confirm that you've successfully changed your password. Congratulations! Your eBay password is now updated. Remember to keep your new password secure and consider using a password manager if you have trouble remembering all your passwords. Regularly updating your passwords and ensuring they are secure can help protect your online information from potential threats. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.